All right, let's talk about drop shipping. So a lot of people in this space are interested in drop shipping, and for good reason, okay? Drop shipping is great, theoretically, okay? One of the biggest issues when you deal with e-commerce, right, is going to be inventory. I used to work in lending. I can't tell you how many people I've seen come in with an amazing business, and their business is about to go under because they're having inventory issues. It's always a problem, okay? So drop shipping sort of solves that problem, right? You always have inventory. You generally always have inventory, and you don't need to hold inventory because holding inventory loses you money, right? The accountants out there will understand that. So the issue with drop shipping, the issue I ran into, is it's not sustainable, right? If you're on eBay, if you're on Amazon, like, for one, your margins, they're going to have to be slim or you're going to get undercut by somebody else. And then additionally, you're almost inevitably going to get kind of bad reviews because it's very difficult to ship quickly. It's very difficult to ship within the window that eBay or Amazon actually wants you to ship. So you wind up, I unfortunately, a couple weeks ago, I actually just got suspended from eBay. And that's okay because I had so many bad reviews. And I wasn't doing anything wrong. It just took that long to get packages to people. Or, my order on AliExpress would be canceled before, and they wouldn't contact me. And then you wound up refunding half the orders. By the time you're done, you made $8, right? That's not a lot of work, but it's more work than I want to do for $8. That's for sure. So now I don't think drop shipping is completely useless. Here's how I would use drop shipping, or here's why I'm grateful that I did drop ship. Drop shipping allowed me to figure out what sells and what doesn't sell, right? So I was using Modalist and I had like 70, 80 products, right? And it wound up that only 3 of them sold the entire time. They sold really well. So now I can go to Alibaba or somewhere else and I can actually buy those products and have inventory and sell them properly, right? So it's really, really good as a way of figuring out what works. It's really, really bad to have a sustainable long-term business. I don't think it's going to work. Look, if you have something going on, that's awesome. Tell me what you're doing. I'd love to copy it, but I'm doubtful. Anyway, that's all I got. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to do Uber Eats or DoorDash, make sure to use my links that are in the description. You help support this channel. I'm D, and we're hustling together.